आज विश्व की आंखें निरंकारी मिशन पर टिकी हैं, क्योंकि निरंकारी मिशन कोई धार्मिक संस्था नहीं, एक आध्यात्मिक विचारधारा है। निराकार प्रभु की जानकारी प्राप्त करने के बाद भक्ति करते हुए मर्यादित जीवन जीने की एक पद्धति है। यह मिशन परमपिता परमात्मा का घट-घट में दर्शन कराकर विश्व बंधुत्व की स्थापना कर रहा है। ये किसी नए धर्म की स्थापना नहीं, किसी पर्टिकुलर जाति, धर्म या पंथ में विश्वास नहीं, बल्कि सभी धारणाओं के व्यक्तियों का ब्रह्मानुभूति द्वारा एक मंच पर एकीकरण है।
We have Mr. UK Dikshit ji, who will come and welcome all of you here. When we were informed of the change, I asked for a biodata of Mr. Dikshit so I could give you an introduction to him. And instead of giving his biodata, he said, His Holiness Nirankarī Babaji is here, who is like the sun. I am a mere candle in front of him. What introduction can I give to myself in front of such a great personality? So please, without further ado, Mr. Dikshit.
Most revered His Holiness Nirankarī Baba Hardev Singh Ji Maharaj, Dr. Chandas Mishra, former Director General CRPF, CISF and Director CBI, Dr. H.K. Chopra, Convener of the Health Committee of SCOPE, General J.S. Ahluwalia, Vice President Institute of Directors, Shri Atulit Saxena, distinguished invitees, members of the SCOPE, distinguished members of the media, friends, ladies and gentlemen. We are fortunate to have amidst us His Holiness Nirankarī Baba Hardev Singh Ji Maharaj, who is the guiding force of Sant Nirankarī Mission. I feel honoured on behalf of SCOPE and all our members to welcome Babaji for his gracious presence and blessing all of us here. We are all familiar with the guidance and preachings of Babaji. He has been emphasizing universal peace, fraternity and service to humanity. He has rightly said, we need peace and not pieces. He also said, the materialism and spiritualism must go hand in hand for the welfare of the humanity. All of us feel that this is the contemporary message for this hour.
This seminar is on relevance of spirituality in enterprise management. I firmly believe and I think that enterprise management is nothing but spirituality only. Sat is eternal truth. Chit means consciousness without fear. Why are you worried? Worried about what? And truth, which we all need in this world. 95% of heart ailments which I seen for last 32 years is because of lack of spirituality, sir. All the time we are worried for what we don't know, without using our mindset. And I'm sure Babaji's expression are going to be great. They are going to totally enlighten us. Path of spirituality is path of enlightenment. Path of love is path of enlightenment. Somebody asked me, sir, what is divine consciousness, cosmic consciousness, and so-called unified consciousness? I explained in a very simple way that cosmic consciousness means when you see miracles are happening. And divine consciousness means you create miracles. And unified consciousness means everything is miraculous. That's the consciousness of Babaji.
Today, the main subject which you all are aware of is the relevance of spirituality in enterprise management. I was just thinking that the relevance of spirituality is not just for enterprise management but everybody's life. The prominent thought working in my mind was one verse which was written by a member of the mission और वो शेर था कि इसका नहीं गम कि गिरे सिक्के की कीमत, अफसोस है कीमतें इंसान गिरी जाती है। कि although we have to make progress, and today we are talking about enterprise, so it is more important because one who is having enterprising spirit, then why not having enterprising spirit to strengthen spirituality in one's life? We have to mention spirituality something different from religion, because religion is giving us dogmas and rites and rituals, and spirituality is strengthening our soul and our minds and cleansing our hearts.